Hello guys, welcome back to Health Pandora. Here we talk to you about health and wellness. Please keep on watching for today's topic. If you are someone planning to start your weight loss journey, then you should know the importance of sleep in the process. Did you actually know that sleep can help you weight gain or lose it? So please keep on watching. But before that, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. You can also comment down below if you have any other queries regarding the topic or regarding our channel. So today our basic focus would be telling you the importance of sleep for losing weight, obviously. Because losing weight can always be tiresome and also be very exhausting. But did you know just by sleeping a lot you can actually lose a quite considerable amount of weight? So if you're really excited about the topic and want to know more, please keep on watching. In our daily routine, we give least importance to our sleep. If we are lacking in our job assignment deadlines, the very first thing that is compromised is our sleep. This issue of compromised sleep is not only with workers but has also affected other generations. With technological advancement, our children and our next generation are busy in talking and texting and also with social media, which has led to sleep deprivation and waking up at nights, which is also somehow affecting our health and their health. Let's just find out what we have till date about sleep and how it has generated studies and studies on our health. Researchers have been talking and studying on brain activity and their effect on our sleep as well as our whole body. How it is affected with different kind of results have been jotted down in many kind of research papers. Association of sleep and sleep deprivation has also been affected and been told about with the help of many studies. Today we have so many studies that has actually put on pin on weight gaining and sleep deprivation due to weight gain. Studies have seen that our body has been affected greatly due to sleep deprivation. One of the major part being our heart, which is responsible for not only pumping the blood circulation but also other important factors like cholesterol. Apart from this, we also have our kidney that actually helps in filtration, and somehow sleep can actually imbalance many hormonal issues. But out of all these, the very important factor being the brain. Our brain cells are highly affected due to your sleep. All in all, most of the body parts and our organs are somehow affected due to sleep. It can be in a positive way or it can be in a negative way. But sleep deprivation actually mostly helps you to actually gain weight, and it also affects the other organs of your body. Many researchers have been talking about how brain are affected due to our sleep. Sleep has an impact on our brain and the cells and many other hormonal imbalances which we are not aware of. In fact, did you know it is the main parts of our brain that are responsible for memory and many other things, and key functions are actually affected if you don't sleep properly. Sleep can actually affect your brain and your body in ways we cannot even imagine. Although there are thousands of studies that have implemented on sleep and other parts of our body or our regulatory system, there are few that are to be mentioned. Sleep deprivation actually helps our memory. Helps our memory in a negative way because it affects the memory cells. Sleep deprivation causes memory deficiency and many other kind of diseases which can lead to Alzheimer's as well. There are studies which have actually shown all these effects. The other part would be sleep actually increases the leptin level of our body. Leptin being an hormone which is responsible for hunger. It has been seen that there have been many kind of researchers that have worked on leptin and the hunger level in many kind of adults. In fact, a paper on 2015 has actually showed how increasing our sleep can actually affect our body, and how sleep deprivation can actually increase the hunger and appetite of a person. One of the other factors would be the insulin level of our body. Insulin, sleep deprivation, and many other factors which was now told actually leads to weight gain. As we know, eating habits are very maintained by most of us, but if you do not sleep properly, there are high chances that you'll keep on bulging on food that is not even required by your body. You tend to eat more, and we tend to even eat which is not even needed by our body. Thus it is being stored into a fat form. Apart from this, did you know that you can actually feel fatigued and more tired in most of your day, because sleep can actually affect not only your brain but overall body system. If you do not sleep properly, you will feel fatigued and tired most of the time, which is not actually healthy for your body. These all basically proves how important sleep can be for our body, not only for our weight problem but also in other functional properties of our body. Thus, in case if you want to lose weight or even maintain the weight that you have to consider sleep and other factors also. There are body levels and body functions that are implemented and that have been affected due to lack of sleep, such as cholesterol, your blood sugar level, and your blood pressure as well. Maintaining a proper diet is very much important as well. And apart from that, sleep. Sleep is obviously one of the major factors which is actually influencing most of our day, and thus sleeping is actually important for you. So please don't avoid it, and please give yourself time to sleep. I hope you understood all of the topics and all of the factors that have been told. If you did actually like our channel and the topic, please hit the like, share, and also the subscribe button. And if in case you have any other queries, you can always visit our website, which is www.healthpandora.com. It has been linked down in the description box. Thank you all. We'll come back with many other new topics.